हरि ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतायाः प्रथमभागस्य 30तमदिनम्। अस्तु, वयम् अग्रिमं श्लोकं पठामः। द्वितीयाध्यायस्य 40तमः श्लोकः। नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते, स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्। तत्र पदच्छेदः। न इह अभिक्रमनाशः अस्ति प्रत्यवायः न विद्यते, स्वल्पम् अपि अस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतः भयात्। अत्र सन्धिकार्यम्। अत्र नेह इत्यत्र यणादेशसन्धिः, क्षम्यतां, गुणसन्धिः। पुनः इहाभिक्रमनाशः इत्यत्र सवर्णदीर्घसन्धिः। अभिक्रमनाशो अस्ति इत्यत्र विसर्गस्य ऋत्वे गुणादेशे पूर्वरूपसन्धिः। पुनः प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते, तत्रापि पूर्वरूपसन्धिः। अग्रे स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्, तत्रापि महतो भयात्, तत्रापि विसर्गस्य पूर्वरूपादेशः अग्रे। अस्तु, इदानीं पदपरिचयः। न इह, इह इत्युक्ते अस्मिन्, अत्र इति अर्थः। अत्र प्रसङ्गे अत्र इत्यस्य अर्थः कर्मयोगे इति अत्र अर्थः। अत्र इह इत्यत्र बहुत्र अस्मिन् लोके इति अर्थः स्वीक्रियते, परन्तु अत्र अस्मिन् विषये, अस्मिन् कर्मयोगे इत्येव तत्र अर्थः। पुनः अभिक्रमनाशः, अभिक्रमनाशः इत्युक्ते नाशः इत्येव वक्तव्यम्। अत्र यत्ननाशः अथवा नाशः इति उच्यते। अग्रे पश्यामः अर्थं यदा पठामः तदानीं। पुनः प्रत्यवायः, प्रत्यवायः इत्युक्ते विपरीतम् इत्यपि अर्थः भवति। यदि वयम् अर्थं पश्यामः चेत् अवगम्यते। प्रत्यवायः न विद्यते, स्वल्पम् अपि अस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्, महतः भयात्। अत्र महतः इत्येतत् भयात् इत्यस्य विशेषणं भवति। अन्वयं पश्यामः चेत् इह अभिक्रमनाशः नास्ति, इह प्रत्यवायः न विद्यते, इह अस्य धर्मस्य स्वल्पमपि कर्म इति अध्याहारः भवितुं शक्यते। इह अस्य धर्मस्य स्वल्पमपि कार्यं कर्म महतः भयात् त्रायते इति तत्र पूर्ण अन्वयः भवति। अत्र अर्थः अवगम्यते इति मन्ये। सरलः अर्थः अवगम्यते मन्ये। अत्र अभिक्रमनाशः नास्ति अस्मिन् कर्मयोगे इत्युक्ते there is no failure in this कर्मयोग। तथा उच्यते। अत्र विफलता नास्ति इति तत्र भावः। अभिक्रमनाशः नास्ति इति। प्रत्यवायः न विद्यते इत्युक्ते there is no negative effect or side effect. So there is no failure and there is no negative or side effect. That is the pratyavayah नास्ति। अस्य धर्मस्य स्वल्पमपि कार्यं महतः भयात् त्रायते। अत्र महतः भयात् त्रायते एतद् it can join with all three of them, but okay, let's talk about it later. But अत्र अस्य धर्मस्य स्वल्पमपि कार्यं नाम even if you perform small or some portion, some duty with this in the karma yoga, you will get benefit of it. So you don't need to complete, you don't need to complete the entire process. Even if you perform some piece of it, you will get the benefit or you'll get the result of what you have performed. तथा अत्र उच्यते। सो अत्र श्लोकस्य अयमेव सरलः अर्थः। सो किञ्चित् अत्र विचारं कुर्मः। सो अत्र यथा मया पूर्वम् उक्तम्, अस्मात् श्लोकादारभ्य 44तमश्लोकपर्यन्तं कर्मयोगस्य महिमा उच्यते। सो he starts to praise the Karma Yoga. So it actually generates the jignasa with the Shrota. So he continues to listen the Karma Yoga. And it also good to know what is the benefit of Karma Yoga. That's the purpose of these 7 shlokas. So as part of that, the first shloka, he directly says, Atra karmanaha punaha karmayogase anayoha bhedaha kaha iti atra uchyate. What is the difference between a regular karma and a karma which is performed with the Karma Yoga? So kaha bhedaha anayoha madhye vidyate iti atra uchyate. So there are 3 differences he highlights, and because of those 3, the Karma Yoga visishyate iti atra bhavaha. The Karma Yoga is special because there are 3 benefits, and there are 3 differences you can see with the regular karma and the Karma Yoga karma. Okay, so atra prathamam pashyamah chet abhikramanashah nasti. So atra viphalata nasti atra uchyate. So there is no failure. So atra yatkimapi atra samanya karma yadi vayam kurmah tatra phalam bhavati athva viphalam bhavati. So we may get good result or we may get bad result. Tatha dvidha bhavati. What is the percentage, the ratio, is all different things, but always there is a risk in performing any duty. But atra pashyamah chet tadrisha nashtam kimapi atra nasti iti atra uchyate. Whatever duty you perform, if you perform that with the Karma Yoga marga, you will never experience the failure iti atra uchyate. अत्र उदाहरणमेकं दीयते. अत्र अभिक्रमनाशस्य उदाहरणमेकं कृषिकार्यवत् इति अत्र उच्यते. अत्र कृषिकार्यम् एकं कुर्मः इति चिन्तयामः. कृषिकार्येण किं भवति? अन्ते कृषिकार्यं किम् आकालं कुर्मः, कृत्वा अन्ते तस्य विफलता अपि भवितुम् अर्हति. अत्र वृष्टिकारणेन वा अन्येन केनचित् कारणेन वा तत्र विफलता भवितुम् अर्हति. अत्र सम्पूर्णविफलता. So though he has put the right effort perfectly on time, but at the end he may get complete failure because there may be a flood or any thing or any other reason. Because of something, the effort completely gets lost. Okay, and this is the right example for abhikrama nashaha. Abhikramaha means yatnaha. Yatnasya nashaha. Whatever yatna he puts, the complete loss of that yatna. Okay, this is the failure. It's given as example here. So if you do any karma without Karma Yoga, you will get such failures. But if you perform the karma in the Karma Yoga path, such failures will not happen. So that's what the Tatparyam here. Okay, and remember one thing, that when I say that failure will not happen, so it doesn't mean that the Krishi Karyam will always be successful. The result will still be the same. It may be successful or failure, but the way you accept it will change. The attitude towards that result will change if you perform in the Karma Yoga path. So that's the Tatparyam here. It doesn't mean that we will never get any failure. Even if you do any business, we will never get any failure. That's not the concept here. It is still the same. The Laukika Karma, the Phalam, everything is same. There's no difference. But the way you interpret that result will change. And because of that, you will never feel that it is a failure. So that's arthaha atra swikarniyaha. Atah pratamaha upayah, pratamaha vishyaha abhikramanashah nasti iti pratamam. Dvitiyam pratyavayaha na vidyate. Pratyavayaha, the side effect or the negative effect. So by performing any karma, you will get either good or bad result. That's first thing. And second thing is you will also get negative results, which will affect you or something you in a different different way, right? So that is the negative. You will not get a negative result or side effect of that performing the karma. That will not be there. So pratyavayah इति चेत् यत्किमपि कर्म कुर्मः तत्र विपरीतफलं किमपि न भवति. परन्तु in the regular karma you will get the pratyavayah. कथम् उदाहरणम् अत्र चिकित्सा इति उच्यते. So if you see in the Vyakhya, we will study the Vyakhyanam later. The Chikitsa is one example of that category. So where whether generally whether it's a right Chikitsa or a wrong Chikitsa, there are chances of getting the side effects or negative effects. Okay. So such a side effect or negative effect we will not have it in the Karma Yoga Marga. So that is the second benefit. And the third one is Swalpasya Dharmasya Asya Karyam Mahato Bhayat Rayate. So in the regular duty, you must start the action and you should complete till the end without missing any process. Then you will get the right benefit, right phalam for the right fruit for that action. But in the Karma Yoga, how much ever you perform, you will be getting the benefit according to that. So that's what it's actually said. So atra udaharanam, adra laukika udaharanam to Koopakananam iti uchyate. Koopakananam means digging the well. So digging the well, you should dig till you get the water. You should keep digging the well. Okay, even if you miss 1 feet before it, the entire prayatna that you have done is of waste. Okay, so to get the real benefit of digging the well, you should dig until you find the water. Okay, even if you do 2-3 feet or 1 feet or 2 feet before the water and you stop the process, then there is no benefit of performing that action. But in the Karma Yoga, that's not the case. Here, whatever effort you put, you will get some fruit for the effort that you have put. So your effort will not get wasted. So these are the three benefits the Karma Yogi gets. Karma Yogi means one who follows the Karma Yoga path. He is called Karma Yogi. So the Karma Yogi gets these three benefits. One, tasya viphalata, tasya karmani viphalata kadapi na bhavati. Dvitiyam karmani pratyavayaha karmanaha pratyavayaha na bhavati. Tritiyam yavat karma saha karoti tavat phalam saha prapnoti. See, these are the three benefits of Karma Yogi. And these are the three negatives of regular karma without Karma Yoga. So that is the overall तात्पर्यम् here. अधुना तत्र व्याख्यानं पश्यामः. न इह इत्युक्ते अत्र मोक्षमार्गे, अत्र कर्मयोगे अभिक्रमनाशः, अभिक्रमः इत्युक्ते प्रारम्भः, तस्य नाशः नास्ति. यथा कृष्यादेः, यथा कृषिकार्ये नाशः भवति तथा अत्र न भवति. पुनः योगविषये प्रारम्भस्य न अनेकान्तिकफलत्वम् इत्यर्थः. Okay, so this we are yet to discuss this part in the next section of the same thing. We'll talk about it. But अत्र किञ्च नापि चिकित्सावत् प्रत्यवायः विद्यते भवति. किञ्च तथापि चिकित्सावत् प्रत्यवायः अपि न विद्यते. Like chikitsa, we do not have any pratyavaya or side effect or negative effect also. It doesn't exist. Kintu swalpamapi asya dharmasya yoga dharmasya anushtitam trayate rakshati mahataha bhayat. अत्र महतः भयात् इत्यत्र संसारभयात् इति अत्र उच्यते। अत्र जन्ममरणादिलक्षणात्, अत्र संसार नाम जन्ममरणादिलक्षणः संसारः, तस्मात् संसारात् त्रायते इति अत्र तात्पर्यं। पुनः या इयं साङ्ख्ये बुद्धिः उक्ता योगे च वक्ष्यमाणलक्षणा सा। अस्तु, अग्रिमश्लोकस्य अर्थः अस्तु। तथा अत्र even if you do some karma or some effort, that will save you from the samsara. Atra mahatah bhayad ityatra you just have to think here, what can be the bigger fear that you can ever have in this life or you can ever have. So maybe dhana nashtam, graha nashtam, bandhu nashtam, itkimapi bhavatu, everything may be a bhayam at some point. And the bigger than generally will come as marana bhayam iti uchyate. Tasmat api mahad bhayam asti va chet maranat api bhayam asti kim punarjanma iti. So even maranam is not a bigger fear. The more fear is again I will take another birth. That's even more fearful. So that's the mahad bhayam iti uchyate. So tasmat mahato bhayat idam trayate iti atra tatparyam. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any questions or feedback, you can post them in the comment section below. If you are interested, you can also join these live sessions using the link given in the description. If you like, you can also share this video with others and subscribe to this channel. धन्यवादः. वयं पुनः मिलिष्यामः.